Oh. Yeah. What's good? What's good? What's good? Not bad. Forgot I made some coffee. What's good, chat? What are you guys up to? What are you up to? What are you up to? Getting the morning coffee going. Kind of real watching Ledger. Oh, you guys watched the podcast? Amazing. Hell yeah. If you guys have not watched the podcast, make sure you guys go and watch it. What are you guys doing? I'll bring it up here in a second. We got 8 minutes till the hourly open, guys. We'll go over what I'm looking at. But the can't look was impossible. Yeah. Could you imagine never blowing an account ever? Sounds fake. But it's legit, bro. When you're like the best trader ever and you learn the right information, come on now. Come on now. What is this? I should be making coffee, chat. Who here watched it, guys? Put a 41 in the chat if you guys watch the podcast. 41 in the chat. Say you got a bag, they asked around, they say you didn't. Hell yeah, Ryan, what's good, bro? How are you? What you been up to, G? Cheers, chat. You asked around, they said you didn't. Sheesh. Tastes like NASDAQ wants to get fucked up. All right, chat. Let's get into it. Coffee's ready. All right, boom. I'm back. What it do? What up, Hanya? Where you been, bro? How many you guys we got here? Like 50 of you guys? All right, let's get into it. Welcome back, chat. Oh, let's get TRADERTV open, guys. I am looking to take a trade today. We'll see what we got cooking up. You know, every day doesn't have to be a trade day, but I would be lying to say that. I mean, so I guess that's a bad way to put it. I don't want it. I mean, I want to take a trade, but if there's not a trade set up, I won't take it. Basically, that's the way I should put it. But I'm active, chat. We here. M1, NQM1. All right, chat. So now we know about the the buy stops and the sell stops, and then when you accidentally put a thing. So for those who weren't on the stream yesterday, we had a malfunction, and basically I put a sell stop up in this area, and just got double fucked. So it's all good. He back though. What up, Ryan? Saw his last stream. Chilling, bro. Just got out here trying to make a butt. Let's go. I'm back. What it do? What's good, Eric? Thanks for being back. What's up, G? Hey, well, sometimes you have to take that mental break, bro. I'm glad that you did that and that you're back feeling good. Let's get into it. 4 cons ready. Boom. All right. Let's talk about it, chat. Go out to the hourly. Let's just start on the 4 hour, actually. 4 hour, really choppy, but once again, every time price made a low, high, low, high, low, high. Oh, and dude, wait, we got to go over first yesterday's chat. Oh my God. So for those who were on stream, you guys know we tried to short somewhere in here, and then we had a big melt over here. So this was the short I was looking for. It just needed to take out the London highs. I don't know. It was just lame. I shorted right here, went up a little more, and then I shorted, basically. We won't get into that. All right, back up to the hourly. Hourly looks very strong bullish, guys. Reverse head and shoulders pattern. You guys can see here. We are coming up to a rejection area, though. We are overall bearish, but I would say that, like, look at how this hourly is pushing, and look how it's about to close. If we can close bullish above the previous hourly high, I would be more, you know, what's it called? I'd be more inclined to take the buys. So we basically just need a closure like above, right in there. Let's go to like a lower time frame now. Yeah, we just need the closure right above in here. So it looks like we're about to get a closure, guys. We have the open in 3 minutes. Definitely have to watch out for some. I mean, this fair value got mitigated. Inverse head and shoulders, exactly. Now it looks good on the 30-minute. Yeah, like it looks good for some buys, chat, if I'm being completely honest. Nice little push. What I'm expecting is the hourly to open, hopefully get a closure above bottom wick, and then we could try to get in for the flip, and that'll probably be trade 1 of the day. Let's see what happens. Oh, the candles are big today again, chat. 30 points isn't giving us too much. TBH. I need this couple crash out. Over here, make selection. Damn. Let's get it. About to get the closure. Pepperoni cookie, homie. Stash spot. One more minute, guys. Shit. Ten seconds, chat. Looks like the hourly is definitely closing above. I need like a bigger bottom wick, chat. I'm not just gonna take this breakout. Probably. Are you in yet? No. So for those who don't know how I trade, I like for price to be in discount. So I'm looking at the previous hourly candle and I have the fib drawn up from the low to the high. What discount is 50% of the overall move. So if we can kind of come down here and retest in here at the 50%, that's what I think is more probable. I was looking for if at the open we could have created a big bottom wick with no top wick and flipped with volume, we could execute with there, but obviously that didn't happen. So, you know, I've been a little patient. I'd say something like, you know, something like this looks good. Pop a bean. Oh, right. So for those who don't hear, let's just go over real quick. So even if this flips right now, guys, I do think it looks good. Ah, shit. Fuck. I feel like the hourly needs a bigger bottom wick. I wanted to kind of go into discount. If she found out what I made today, she might faint. Hopping out that smoking stank. I take bitches out the country. Baby, I don't date. Bro, this song's so hard. Pop a bean. Now I'm fine. Pop a bling. Now I'm blind. Pop a bean. Now I'm blind. So for y'all who'd like breakouts and stuff, guys, this is one that I like. I think it's valid. If we do flip with volume and you guys do want to get out the breakout, I think it's fine. But me following my rules, I know for a fact I'd be very, you know, disappointed in myself for getting in prematurely, not waiting for me to be in discount to buy. Where that would just kind of ruin my day. Imagine me going on the rest of my day knowing I took a loss because I just didn't follow my rules. You know what I'm saying? So, want me to look at gold? Gold for me, I was looking at it a little bit ago. Go to the hourly real quick. I just think that we're in such a big range within this area as if it's kind of like a break and retest, but then when we retested, price was just like, wait, what? I just didn't know what to do. Because look at, reason why I'm a little confused, not confused, but we ranged, we manipulated the lows, clear liquidation, and then we came up and then we clearly liquidated the highs also, and now we're back within the range. So I just think that there's not the best PA on it. If I had to do something, I would maybe fib this up. You can see we are tapping into discount. Maybe wait for like a lower time frame push here. And if you can kind of get a breaker structure back up, you know, something like that could potentially be good. But I haven't been trading gold as much. It's really just been like NASDAQ, TRADERTV, GJ. Actually, I mean, gold during London. I just meant like kind of during now. Jamal, what's good, bro? Shout out the boy. All of the bros. We'd already be at TP1 low-key. The hourly flip. My thing is this, chat. I know it's kind of confusing because I have so much drawings right here. But just like, here, let's just get rid of this real quick. Look how big the previous wicks have been. Look at these big wicks that have come down and then pushed price up. Big wicks push price down. If you go and fib these up, you fib up this last hourly candle, what ended up happening? Price on the next hourly pulled back right into discount. Let's go to lower time frame. Look at this was the hourly push, or somewhere over here, pulled right back into discount, tapped, and then continued. So I'm thinking the same type of thing on the hourly, which this new hourly just opened. I know that we're breaking highs and it looks super clean. I understand. I get it. I wish I was in. I don't wish, that's a bad way to put it. I don't wish I was in. It's just not with my rules. So going to the lower time frames, you could just see that I like the idea of waiting for the last hourly candle, which is this big one. You guys see this wick right here? This wick from this low to this high. Like that. Set that up and go. Or if you take the breakouts, you guys are sitting, see if it's that TP1. Yeah, already 1-to-1 about to be hit. Kind of lame, but I'm not mad about it. Especially after yesterday and fucking losing like that off of whatever, you know? Yeah. I can't with the fellas. Ray Mac got hit in the back of Ray Mac. I know we're getting away. Same day, same day. Sheesh. At least we know our buys were correct. 1 to 2 hit, and see if it goes a 1 to 3 without us, guys. Then I don't know, you know. Yeah, you don't think I'd retrace my entry? Yeah, I don't think so either. But like I said, guys, just because the charts are moving does not mean that. That's hilarious. Dang, Luca already up 5,000. You're up 5,000, bro? You're up 5K? What? This is just something to collect data on, guys, because what we can see is that if this is the move, I'll collect data on it and I'll say, you know what? Maybe my data will show me I should take the first push. What I'm curious about is if I take the first push, let's say I do a trend line strategy. So let's just draw, let's say we were in, I'd probably draw something like this. Maybe like that or something like this, honestly. Get a little more breathing room. Probably do both. I put one right here. Put another one. Kind of like that, honestly. Give it some room, right? What I want to see is that if we get this push and we're above it, that if we come, oh shit, my mouse spazzed. No. No. My mouse died. Bull. Chuck out the wall. Fuck it. All right. I gotta use my hands now. Pause. All right. What was I going over again? I'm just curious if you know, if we'll get the retracement into discount to go. But for those who capitalize on it, that, you know, yeah, you're in, bro. Fuck yeah. Well, if you took it, you're up. You need to know. Wow. I think I need a couple crash up bliss so I can send a bliss. Michael Mary, that bitch. Oh, I like Rick. Yeah, if it hits a 1 to 3 without us, chat, I think that's just GG's. Waiting for that whole retracement after this push. I mean, come on. Damn. Yep. Oh. The fuck. Awesome. Well, you know what, guys? At the end of the day, guess what? At least we didn't put up a sell position and the sells got wrecked. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least we are on the right side of the market and we explained it. TP3 hit. You can see here, clear, 30-point stop loss, 1 to 3, 90-point. TP, pretty clean, no drawdown. For those who know how I like to trade, I pay attention to the market structure, guys. Whenever price has a push, it usually comes down to make some sort of lows before continuing. So it's just, there was some nice volume at this hourly. I think it was just playing off the volume from the previous two. I mean, guys, look at it. My whole idea for why I wanted the buys, if you come out of the hourly, I talk about this formation all the time. Any of you guys who come to my streams know for a fact, inverse head and shoulders is one of my freaking goated setups. Why? Well, let's go over the mechanics of it, right? So to you guys, you might just see, oh, inverted head and shoulders, right? The reason why I love these plays so much, you have to know, you have to let them kind of happen in a key area. But I'm going to be, what I said, going over. Damn, everyone, everyone left right when the buys didn't play out. Whatever. All right, so let's just say this. Let's say price kind of accumulates, leads to an impulse, right? Let's say that we retrace into discount. Why I like the head and shoulders as it leads to a low, then a low getting swept. And then what I really like doing is waiting for that break of structure. And then from there, you're kind of fibbing this up like this, waiting for a slight retracement. If you can get the retracement into discount and it starts rejecting like this, my whole ideology behind it is that if you can get into a buy here with your stops kind of protected under this low is what swept liquidity. If this was a true liquidity sweep, it should not go below this low, right? It should hold here. You get into your position, and this position is what leads to then the push. And then guess what the formation is? Let's get rid of the fib so it doesn't confuse you guys. If I get rid of that, you guys will see right here, it's literally just a inverted head and shoulders. Like that, right? Trend line break, break a structure. And, you know, for me, direction's huge. So obviously we're bullish, lead to a pullback, liquidate the lows, hold the next low, inverted head and shoulders, boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Just popping in to show love. Luca's the best trader. Now listen up. What's up, guys? We got EMMITT.TRADES in the building. What's up, G? How are you? How's Texas treating you, sir? Does that make sense, guys? You guys understand that? Everyone's dipping. What was the peak? Who knows how many people came? I wasn't really looking at the viewers today. There was like almost 80, 90 of you guys at one point. I'm just curious. Because guys, what I like is that like I never even really like announced I was going live for a PM session. I kind of just like did it one day and all you guys still show up and stuff, which I appreciate. So this was a clean ass fucking push though, guys. I should have took at the hourly flip. At the flip ski, no discount though. Oh damn, that 5 minute did liquidate that low though. Look at that. Who sees that? Who sees this? That's crazy. I didn't notice that. Damn. It's all good, guys. I'm not mad at all. I hope you guys know that. I'm fine. Like, I'm more okay with knowing that I was correct about the trade than me getting into a shitty trade like yesterday and fucking losing double the amount I wanted to risk and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, guys, I believe in repetitions. If I'm on here showing up and marking up the charts, guess what? I just basically forward tested something. I now get data on it of just taking the break, right? And yeah, like, you know, I don't lose anything. Inverted head and shoulders goated though. Who thinks so? I don't fuck with rats, but I get to that cheese. Like a TRX. Which indicator you are using to show A's in London and New York session? Sorry, I don't know how I missed it. You said it like 4 times. Sorry, bro. All right. The indicator I use to show the different sessions is up here under indicators. It says Sonar Lab session. So if you guys type this in under indicators, this will come up, and then these are my inputs. You guys probably are in a different time zone, but if you guys are in California, this would be your guys's. You guys can pause the stream and, you know, do any of this. These are what my details are. And you go to style. I basically just have it at, you know, like a dark gray, low opacity, where it's not really stands out. Because a lot of you guys, if you guys go type in kill zones, or you guys go put any of those other ones on, it comes on your screen and it's like, okay, pause again. It'll be like all colorful and fucking, it's like hard to trade. This I like because it's just a light little gray background, because I really just use it to show the highs and lows of the session of like what did the session do. A lot of my mentorship students here, you guys have heard me say it a ton. Trend of the day: New York more often than not, when you guys go to New York session and you guys go look at every box that was created during New York, the highs and lows, it picks a trend of the day, right? So us as traders, we're trying to basically be able to anticipate the trend of the day. Oh, there's a good setup this morning on, like, this NASDAQ setup was pretty clean. Took out the high just to then flip and go. Have to get out the lows though, but YM. US 30 as well. High, aim for the lows. That was awesome. Yeah, like, look at the Dow this morning, guys. So we replay price. There's kind of two entries you could have done here, right? So this was New York open, guys. New York kind of came and then it liquidated this high. So this would be my first kind of entry potentially, is it liquidated that high and this one over here to the left as well. So could look for shorts because we're overall bearish right into there, and I'd be aiming for these lows, right? But let's say you didn't get in there, right? Let's say that you hesitated. Well, what I would have done is after you liquidate that high, you fib up kind of that low and you wait for us to be back in discount again, wait for a deeper pullback, boom, and pullback. Once we break the lows like that, get in right here. 30. Oh, this is DAX. I gotta go like, you know, something like this. But once again, guys, you're aiming for these lows. Then once it kind of goes and breaks those lows, you get in, and then just, that's the play. Is you're looking for the retracement up, get a discount, continue it at the break below here, aiming for the lows, probably exit here. Bada bing, cha-ching. You know what I'm saying? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear it? Y'all like it? I know I made mistakes, but girl, I know I my thing. All right, well, guess what, guys? 1 to 3 point. Damn, it's almost gonna do 1 to 4 is almost about to be hit. Crazy. It's one of those days, guys. Amazing. I love it. I love it. I can't even lie. Damn, it's only been 18 minutes. I don't even like really want to hop off stream or anything. It's just that like I don't really want to take anything on NAS now. It's kind of cooked. US 30, pretty fucking cooked. You know what I'm saying? Did just liquidate that high. Too bullish for me to sell right off the bat, but that was a good liquidation. Getting right here at the break of the 5-minute low. So we'd be in right now, chat. If you guys were looking for someone on there, 30 points. I would do like 35. 35 point stop, or actually maybe even 40. Let's just say 35. 35, go for 35. All right, chat, you know what I want to do? You know what I really want to do? We'll do this next week. Or should I just even do it tomorrow? Put 41s in the chat if you guys are still here rocking with me. 41s. 41s, and I'll tell you. 41s in the chat. I want to do something for real with you guys. $41. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone's here. All right. What I want to do, we're still going to keep up on the challenge. Well, here's the first thing. Ready? For those who didn't start with me at the beginning of when I started passing this challenge, I took a fat L yesterday because I accidentally put a sell, whatever. I'm new to futures, whatever. I'm getting into it, whatever. Lost more than I was supposed to, more than double. So it brought me all the way back to 50,380, which is basically like one trade away from break even. So for those who want to come on stream, I'm only trading this account on stream. I'm not going, like, you guys can go back to the stream. The balance stays the same over all of them. It's TRADERTV. I have no, you can't fucking do any of that, right? So for those who want to go get an account, you guys probably go get an account, trade along with me. But also, what I really want to do is one of these mornings, I'll get on maybe 10:45, like 15 minutes before the 11 open or whatever. I want to try and pass a whole challenge with you guys in one day. How would you guys like that? If we all get an account and you guys, bro, we just, it's going to be high risk, but also high reward if we pass, right? So I think for me, the way that I kind of trade and the way you guys have been seeing me trade on here is that, like, I get on, I wait for one high probability setup, we get in, we go. But if my goal was to pass it in a day, I would be way more aggressive. And these little ones that these little trades that I miss out on and shit, I probably wouldn't miss out. I'd probably be executing on everything, right? So I feel like that'd be pretty fun. Can we copy trade on TRADERTV? No, we can't. I think they would flag it, But what we could do, I mean, I want to do it on stream, but we also could do it in the Discord so that the delay is less. But that's what my mentorship students are for, actually. So, what do you guys hear? Lewis, did you execute anything, or just cooked?
Nah, I was actually looking for sells.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I feel you on the retracement, trying to go short. I just saw the buys because of the hourly, bro. Just a fat W. Inverted head and shoulders, W.
Yeah.
That's how I saw it.
No, that last hour it just flipped like hard.
Yeah, fact. This is why the trend line shit's goated. It'll come back up, then it'll even use it without even having to move anything. Continue. Let's do a 100K. 100K accounts, not a problem. I'll do just like 50s or something. I think that'd be fun, guys. So everyone in the chat, put a 41 if you guys are interested in, you know, you don't have to go buy it. I'm not saying you guys have to do it, but who would be interested in me trying to go past an account live with you guys in all in one power hour? Or maybe I'll start it during New York. Maybe I'll start it during New York. We run it up for like an hour, and then I get off, and then we come back during power hour and finish it off. That shit would be kind of fun. Hell yeah, Elmer. Fuck yeah. I appreciate you. Aaron was good. Lucas, Nicholas, Demoris, Red Lady, AE, Elmer, Trade Time, Oscar, William, Nacho, Haniel, Eric, Josiah, Blake. Appreciate y'all. Kashav Gupta. Appreciate you, brother. You guys are amazing. El Keep. LA Keep. You go by L or LA Keep? L or LA? Anya, what's good? Lena, what's good? Mercy. Ricky was good. No loss, so we are good. Exactly. It's not like we took a trade, guys, and we got... Like, you guys, I don't know. For me, guys, like, I'm not sad at all. For me, what would make me sad is... I guess my thing that I hate is when you get like manipulated. So like, let's say we get into a buy position, we have like a 30-point stop loss, price goes like 32 points in drawdown, wicks you out, and then goes back. That's like, that to me is a bad day. A regular loss doesn't bother me. But for some reason, when I'm correct, but I still got, bro, that's the shit that pissed me off. Rosa Fritas was good. I'm in your mentorship. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. What's up, Ricky? Good to see you, brother. Thanks for being here. What trade are you going to take? I'm not really looking for any more today. That's what I was kind of saying, is that, like, you know, for this account, guys, with the TRADERTV one I'm passing with you guys, not that I'm being like less risky on it, but I also want to show you guys how to pass a challenge. And what not to do is try to go past it in one day. I think that would be fun. And that's the reason I'm bringing it up, is it's a fun thing we should do for like one day. But I'm not here buying evals 3 times a week trying to pass it with you guys full leverage, right? No, like, I'm showing you guys should take 1 to 2 trades a day, high probability. I feel like I've yet to really take 2 in a day yet. Reason being is a lot of the time is that if we miss it, it's kind of gone. Like for this, for example, like we missed the buys. I would need price to, like, now that we've made a low, I can maybe look for price to come sweep a low and go. But it's just the way that I trade, like, it's as simple as this, guys. When price makes an impulse, I wait for price to be in discount of that impulse, which is 50% of the move, right? So what does that mean? That means everything up in here is premium. Everything down below here is discount. I'm always trying to buy a discount. So my thing is that why would, now that price already retraced and now is breaking highs, this is still premium. We're still all the way up here. So like, this just, to me, still is just all like a no zone to buy, right? I need a retracement. Not going here, drawdown. What trading pair is the most profitable for you? I'd say as of recent, it's been JER30. Overall in my lifetime, it's a GJ, but as of recent, it's JER30 and like NASDAQ. I'd say highest win rate, you know. For those who are new to the stream, I mean, this last week's been a little bit slower, but those who have been around here for like, what's it called? That's like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, knows we've just been doing nothing but win. This might be a God-given opportunity because Luca's coming out with this challenge passing thing right when my account is 3%. Well, it's not like a challenge passing thing. Like, I'm not going to trade your account for you, but if you guys enjoy the trades that I'm going to be on here, basically, I'm getting on here to pass the challenge myself, and if you guys like what the trades I'm taking, you guys can follow along. But this is in no way financial advice. You know, you guys do your own thing. Right now I'm doing it on what's it called? Apex. I'm gonna try out different ones. It's just that TOPSTEP will let you pass it. I don't know. What up, Teresa? Hope you're doing well too. Yes, it is this knowledge that you have. Only you can help us. Appreciate you, Lena. Well, I appreciate you guys. All I gotta say is make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, guys, please, 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 if you guys have not gone and watched the video I have just dropped with Baron Skorpinski,
ICT?
you guys need to go watch it. Please go leave a comment, guys. There's only 7 comments. There's like 50 of you guys here. If all of you guys can go leave a bunch of comments,
I believe he says that he coded that.
Then we'll do the account passing thing in here. Make sure you guys go like and comment, leave a bunch of comments, guys. Thank Burned, and actually watch it, guys. There's a ton of like really good information in it. What do you think about buying 5 accounts from using one account every day will make passing account easier? What do you think about buying 5 accounts from different prop firms and using one account every day will make passing easier? No, it's a waste of money. I don't know about the discounts. I trust process and the process is you. I trust the process and the process is you is crazy. I appreciate that, guys. You guys are the best. Thank you, guys. But thank you guys for coming to the stream. Sorry it was a quick one. I feel like there's been a couple of times I've like kind of explained what's going to happen and it goes and then whatever. But it's just following my rules, waiting for being discounted and stuff and whatever. Are you based in California? I mean, that's where I'm from. I am based in California, but I'm in Miami right now. We in Miami. Thank you, Nick. Shout out Nick, bro. Appreciate you. Great pop. Appreciate you. Quality content. Thank you, Jacko. You guys are the best. One God, two Luca. Greetings from Macedonia. Ooh, I've never met someone from Macedonia. Thank you for being here. Make sure you're subscribed and tune back in. Dude has an entertaining way of talking that podcast. Yeah, that's why. I mean, I thought it was a good podcast, guys. Did all of you guys enjoy it? What time you trade JER30? Usually around 11 p.m. PST, which is 2 a.m. Eastern. You're from India? Amazing. Shout out India. I was watching a video about India earlier today. Awesome. Yeah, if you want to join the club. It's a mentorship, but yeah, I guess it's a little cooler than a club, but you can call it that. NLT Club. I love that. All right, guys. So I'm going to head out of here, guys. Please go and like and comment on the new podcast. I really do appreciate it. I'll be back on live for you guys tomorrow. Got some podcasts to do and stuff, but I'll still make it happen. You guys are goated, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I love you guys. Thank you guys for keep showing up. It motivates me to keep coming back. If you guys keep liking the streams, you know, going to the Discord. Guys, go join the Discord too. The Discord, is where you guys should all be. The link is in the description. Join it. I hope we all become active and all that type of stuff. So love y'all. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll be live tomorrow, same time. So like 2 p.m. Eastern. The Discord link is in the description, brother. Everyone go to the description right here. Click where it says Discord. You can join for free. And I want everyone to be active, sending charts and stuff in New York and London. And just all throughout the day, guys. Even talk about stuff, you know, send videos. Let's say this wasn't my podcast, but you guys watched it and liked it. Bro, send podcasts that you guys have watched that you guys enjoy. Send it in the thing so we can watch it, you know? Don't be gatekeeping. Hell yeah, Blake. All right, well, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for coming. I'll catch you guys on the next one, gang. Doses. You guys are the best. Appreciate you all. Later.